Om Namaha Shivaya. Here you are seeing real Lord Shiva conch that total world is looking for. It's a one line. You can see clearly it's a only one line and one pearl in it. This conch is having only one line and one pearl. It is a real Lord Shiva conch which total world is looking for. See, it is a regular conch. You can see three lines. It's a regular conch. It's a Lord Shiva conch. Totally world is looking for it. It's having only one line. You can see clearly only one line and one Lord Shiva pearl in it. One clear Lord Shiva pearl in it. It's a only one line. You can see this is not a line. It's a real Lord Shiva conch. Totally amazing, and till now only this just one piece in the world. Real Lord Shiva conch, one line. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. You can see clearly only one line. See clearly one line. It is not a line. It is a pearl. Just only one line going deep inside. It's a real Lord Shiva conch from Indian Ocean with one line and one Shiva pearl on it. Totally mind blowing, and it is a real Lord Shiva conch is totally world is waiting for. See, it is a regular conch. It's have three line. Maximum it will be having up to 15 lines in this conch. Here it is one line. One line is extremely miracle collection. Extremely miracle collection. It's the first time getting this one line conch from Indian Ocean with also with Shiva pearl with it. Totally amazing, totally amazing, totally amazing. Unbelievable collection. It's a real Lord Shiva conch with one line and one pearl, which world is waiting for this conch. It is extremely powerful than Dakshinamurti conch and totally unbelievable. You can see clearly only one line. Clearly only one line. Very clearly only one line. It's a real Lord Shiva conch from Indian Ocean. It's a Lord Shiva. You can feel extreme vibration of Lord Shiva. You can feel extreme vibration and power of Lord Shiva. Totally unbelievable collection. It's a just only one piece in the world. One piece in the world, which world is waiting to collect real Lord Shiva conch and got it. It's a conch from Indian Ocean. Just one line and one Shiva pearl full of Lord Shiva energy, full of Lord Shiva energy. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.